A shocking revelation has emerged in the political arena, sparking intense debate. Did a security advisor's actions influence a high-profile spy case? In a surprising twist, the Education Secretary has asserted that a key security advisor, Jonathan Powell, had no involvement in the evidence presented in the now-collapsed case against two individuals accused of spying for China. This statement comes amidst accusations from the conservatives that Powell played a role in withholding crucial evidence from prosecutors. The case, which involved Christopher Cash and Christopher Berry, saw charges dropped last month, leading to a wave of criticism from ministers and MPs. When questioned about Powell's role, Bridget Phillipson firmly stated that he was not involved in discussions regarding the substance or evidence of the case. But here's where it gets controversial. The Director of Public Prosecutions, Stephen Parkinson, contradicted previous statements by revealing that the trial's collapse resulted from the government's failure to provide evidence depicting China as a national security threat. This revelation has prompted the conservatives to demand answers from ministers in Parliament. The opposition has pointed fingers at Powell, suggesting his pursuit of closer ties with Beijing influenced his decision to withhold evidence. Shadow Home Secretary Chris Philp has called for an explanation, stating that the government must reveal why it chose not to disclose extensive information about China's threat to national security during the relevant period. Adding fuel to the fire, former conservative ministers and advisors claim there's a document containing numerous instances of Chinese activities posing a threat to the UK, which could have been pivotal evidence. They argue that any rational jury would recognize China as a threat based on this evidence. The controversy extends to the government's overall approach to China, with the Liberal Democrats accusing them of jeopardizing national security. They have called for blocking the construction of a new Chinese embassy in London, citing concerns about enabling industrial-scale espionage. And this is the part most people miss. The legal intricacies of the Official Secrets Act come into play, as the accused individuals could only be prosecuted if the information they shared was deemed useful to an enemy. This technicality further complicates the already intricate web of political and legal debates surrounding the case. So, was this a calculated move by the government to protect diplomatic relations, or a simple oversight? The public awaits a transparent explanation, and the comments section is open for your thoughts and opinions on this intriguing political drama.